Cleveland, Texas. Here restoring the old house. Still in rough shape, but it's getting better. We got AC put in, foundation is repaired and leveled. We got everything demoed, trash taken out. We're rocking and rolling. Alright, that's it for day 2. Now the real fun starts. Day 3, we're going to be starting knocking out all the walls, framing up the new walls, and putting in sheetrock, moving electrical, having a lot of fun. Stay tuned.